Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to walk you all through what's in my dog park business plan template. So the way the video is going to work out is, first and foremost, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point, we are then going to dive into the Word document portion of my dog park business plan template. I'll show you the different components, walk you through it, explain why I use some of the information that I did. From that point in time, we will then wrap up the game, sum it up, and I'll give you a link where you can then buy the dog park business plan template if you like. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation that I have got designed and concocted for your listening and viewing pleasure. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. If y'all want to avoid the trials and tribulations of fun and excitement, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, even with a template, it can be a little bit daunting once in a while. If you do want to avoid this process, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. Also, I do charge for, if you like, I can complete the business plan template for you as well. Price is a little bit cheaper, but there is a fee for that as well. All right, next is also I am a published author on Amazon.com. So if you want to check out some of my books about business plan writing, they're there. Also for financial projections, information's there as well. And finally, adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you need a little bit of help with those numbers, give me a call. Be delighted to assist. All right, enough of that. Let's check out this dog park business plan template. So for this video, I'm going to be going through the Word document portion of my business plan template. It does come with a Word document, also an Excel file with the financial model. I do have a separate video for the financial model. For the template in general, it is done in Microsoft Office, so you do need Microsoft Office, or at least Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, in order to make the changes needed. This is not compatible with Google Docs, not compatible with Apple Docs, so just keep that in mind. Front page is going to be your title page. You can put your logo up here. Just feel free to adjust it however you like, or you can just simply put your name of your company and business plan, and you're ready to go. Table of contents, pretty straightforward. Here's the different segments of the business plan, and here are the page numbers. If you'd like to update it, just click on it, update table, click on update entire table, click OK, and bam, all your page numbers are updated for you. Executive summary section, pretty straightforward, summarizes your business plan in its entirety. The section here for the dog park summary, target market, financial highlights, you pull this information from the Excel file. Specifically, it would be from, let's see here. So what you would do is you go to the Excel file, which is, this is what it would look like. Go to projections, and these three numbers right here on the projections tab, these three numbers, annual revenues, costs, and net profits, those are the pieces of information you'd put right here. Funding request, again, how much money you need to get the party started, and then it breaks out the terms for you. Company description, now we're getting into the meat and potatoes of the dog park business plan. Here's your dog park summary. Competitive advantages, again, this is pretty general, so make it specific to your liking. Services provided, primary target market, and this is going to be our pricing strategy. Again, I like to go with the best value approach typically, but feel free to adjust it to the premium pricing or low cost pricing strategy as you see fit. Hours of operation. Location, this can definitely be expanded upon. Tell the reader about your location, what's it going to look like, the toys you're going to have, and so on. Business objective. So the business plan is going to describe your business, what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. The strategic plan is going to describe where your business is going to be going and some of the benchmarks that you're going to attain. In this business plan template, I do provide a snippet of a strategic plan, so just feel free to adjust this accordingly. Industry analysis. So for the dog park industry, the dog park industry is in its infancy in the U.S. right now. It is growing. It's growing quite fast, as is based on some of my research. But there's not enough industry statistics out there available that are reliable that I felt would be appropriate for a template. So what I did is I used the industry of the pet industry as a whole, and then gathered some information from there. Strategic plan. SWOT analysis. To update this, just click on it. Smart art. Go to down right here to this little arrow, click on that, and boom, you'll update that information accordingly. Organizational structure, company name, what kind of organizational structures are going to be. Is it going to be a corporation, LLC, sole proprietor, whatever it's going to be? Go ahead and update that there. Organizational chart, your different positions in your company. Feel free to update this. All you have to do is, again, is click on it, arrow, and then you can go ahead and update that information accordingly. Marketing, traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing, the three big ones that are typically used by dog park business owners. Feel free to expand upon each one of them to customize it as you see fit. Or if you're not going to do one of the three, just go ahead and delete it. And again, you're still ready to go. Then we get our funding request, a little bit of money. This is where you're going to tell the reader how much money you need in the terms that you're seeking. Financial projections, this information right here is going to come from the financial model that I just showed you previously. I do break out my financial projections for the first year, month to month, month 1 to month 3, quarter 1, 4 to 6, quarter 2, month 7 to 9, quarter 3, and then month 10 to 12, quarter 4. And then we've got our income statement that is for the next 5 years, year 1 through year 5. And when you do update the information in the dog park, so let's say you go ahead and update this financial model, then all you do is you're going to copy this right here. You're going to copy the income statement or whatever portion that you've changed, highlight it, backspace it, Control V, and once you update your Excel file with all the other information, your customized information, you just copy and paste the new projections into the Word document and you're ready to go. Nope, we don't want that. Just click on Save. Yeah, and that's it. That's what's included in my template. That's my magic trick. And so let's go ahead and, as promised, summarize this game. All right. So in summary, what's included in my dog park business plan purchase is going to be the customizable Word document, the Excel financial model that I briefly showed you all, and I will do a video on that Excel file in just a little bit. Keep in mind that the document is in Microsoft Word and Excel, so it's not compatible with Google and Apple products. And there is no free phone support. So if y'all do have questions before you buy the dog park business plan template, be delighted to have a conversation with you. After you buy the business plan template for the dog park, then I would refer you to my tutorials. And I do have a lot of tutorials out there to help you write and customize each section of the business plan. You can find my tutorials right here. They're free. qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. If you do want to buy my dog park business plan template, here is a link, qualitybusinessplan.com/dog park business plan template. And if y'all do want a custom business plan written by myself, be delighted to do so. Here are my pricing packages for the different plans I offer. qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan prices 3/. All right, hopefully this video is helpful. And as always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.